Let's talk a little bit about data. Edmodo has a fabulous feature for the teacher to collect data per assignment, per quiz, even polls. Let's go to the Progress tab. We'll select the Progress tab and scroll down and select the class. You'll see every student and each assignment with the grade if you've graded. You see here I have some that say turned in and I haven't graded them as of yet. But what we can do is go to Export, and all of this data will appear in an Excel spreadsheet, bottom left-hand corner. And we'll try that again, bottom left-hand corner. And let's export the data. And the data appears in the Excel format. And we know once we get data into Excel, we have options. We can go to Insert. It looks like I'm frozen. I'm going to select the resume. We can go to Insert, and I'm just going to pick a recommended chart. I'll select the first one that appears. And, okay. And we can see that we can create charts and data for individual assignments. Not bad. What you can also do is you can capture this information, rename it, and you can keep a tally of particular assignments for each quarter. If you'd like to do a quarter 1 through quarter 4. That would give you an opportunity to go back and reflect from quarter to quarter if you're using the same assignment. If you're anything like most teachers, after you reflect, you have to go in and make some changes to the assignment, and now you're working with apples and oranges. I'm going to remove the pivot table because we're not going to get into anything that sophisticated as related to data. Now, keep in mind, you will be able to select, I'm not going to save this chart. Now keep in mind, you can select specific information. You can select certain people on a specific assignment. So let's just say you just want to capture these 4 because these happen to be my 4th period students. Dr. Fingal will be talking about small groups and how you can actually get these 4 or 5 people in their own group so the data won't populate with the entire class. But right now I want to work with these. I've got 5 people, and I can go in and I could delete Dexter if I wanted to. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to select a chart. I'll just go ahead and select one of these. And there I have it. And there's your chart. You can go in and make your chart title, and this chart title could actually be the resume for Q1 2015, and then of course you can add your standard 1. The resume actually covers standard 1 and 3 for me because of the writing. And there you go. I won't get into formatting shapes or anything with the chart because that's really not what this was about. This is about how can I use Edmodo to help me with data analysis. And more specifically, I want to look at a specific student, or I want to look at a group of students and have an opportunity to reflect. And that's Edmodo and data.